If you need to log into WordPress from Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to access your WordPress dashboard through your Namecheap hosting account without having to search for your WordPress login page or remember extra passwords. This is especially useful if you manage your site through Namecheap hosting and want a simple, direct way to get into WordPress. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy websites tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting accounts are displayed, so it's the first place you need to go. After that, find the hosting account that contains your WordPress website and click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for that specific hosting package. From here, look for WordPress Manager. Depending on your hosting setup, it may also appear as an app or tool inside your cPanel dashboard. Once you open WordPress Manager, you'll see the WordPress websites connected to your hosting account. Now find the WordPress site you want to access. If you have more than one website, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't open the wrong dashboard. Next, click Login next to your WordPress site. This is the key step that saves time because it automatically signs you into WordPress for that website. You do not need to enter your WordPress username or password manually. After you click Login, you will be taken directly into your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can manage posts, pages, themes, plugins, settings, and everything else on your site. So to quickly recap, the process is simple. Log into Namecheap, go to Hosting List, open cPanel, launch WordPress Manager, select your website, and click Login. That's it. You're now inside WordPress and ready to make changes to your website. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.